Hey, this is my bike check. My new one. So up here I got some diamondback grips. They're just green. Just on there because they're grips. Some stock diamondback barns, as you can see. And then some fit regular bars. The reason why I say regular is because I don't know the fucking name. But they're pretty good, I guess. And then ghetto stolen conviction stem, because I don't know the name that looks like it. And my frame is the Specialized 415. I know it's shit, but not for me because it hasn't broken or anything. It's just got that big ass dent. And then, hey, you know what kind of tire this is? Yeah, it's the Fit FAF. Torn to shit. That's okay, because I got a tire liner. Hey, look at that. And then, what the fuck is it? C303 rim. It's good, I guess. Then, mongoose forks. I know they're shitty, but haven't bent or anything, so I don't care. Just a little drawing, because I'm ghetto like that. Eastern Medusa sprocket. Best sprocket you can get for 20 bucks. I've had this shit since Christmas Christmas from 2009, and it's lasted. Nothing's wrong with it. And I'm pretty sure these are fit cranks. Pretty sure about that. Because my friends that have like fits, they all have these, and I'm like, what the fuck are they? And like fits. So I'm like, okay, so that's what I'm going with. They're fit. And then Animal Hamilton PCs in blue, because I rock blue. And fuck you, I'm not a scrap. I don't bang or anything. And then a Fit 1970 seat. It's pretty badass. No post. Zip tied. Custom. Yeah. Nitrous doubleshot back rim. It's pretty good for 100 bucks. And then a red-line tire with grass in it. That happened from me 180ing off of this little platform onto grass. And I do not know how the fuck it got there, but it's like in between the tire and the rim. See? It's pretty weird. It hasn't popped or anything, so it's good. And then, yeah. So, yeah. And that is a KMC blue chain. Doesn't really look blue.